Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hi everyone, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this Stacy Lash Super Primer. Now, this is the bottle of product right here. You can see this is the half fluid ounce bottle here, and we'll talk a little bit about this gold cap and how you actually can go ahead and apply it in just one moment. But I did just want to mention, this is the primer, and it's designed specifically to go ahead and prep your lashes for extensions. Sometimes you have kind of makeup residue or maybe even a little bit of dust or debris, things like that. This primer can help a lot with that. Now I wanted to show you, if we go ahead and unscrew this gold cap, I wanted to show you what it actually looks like on the inside. You'll notice that it is kind of this dropper design, and the top part of the cap actually can be pushed in, so it can go ahead and you can slide it down in the bottle, go ahead and push it down, and then go ahead and let go, and it will pull up some of the product. So that's actually how it works. It is kind of that dropper style design with this really cool cap on the top, and overall I've been really impressed with this product. I think it's nice and high quality, and for that reason I would highly recommend it. Now make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.